Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log in, reset password and enroll to KeyBank's online banking account through your mobile device. So first of all, go to any web browser on your mobile device and in the web address part type in key.com, and once you're in this website, tap on the sign on option on the top right side of the screen and then tap on sign on. Now in order to log into your account, enter your user ID, tap continue, your password, and once you tap sign on, you'll be successfully logged into your KeyBank's online banking account. But in any case, if you forgot your password, you can simply reset it by tapping the option problem signing on and then forgot my password. Now you'll have to select your account type, enter your user ID, your social security number, and once you tap continue, you'll be successfully able to reset the password of your KeyBank's online banking account. Now, in order to enroll to KeyBank's online banking account and services, tap on the option Enroll. Then, select what kind of account do you want to set up. It may be personal account or a business account, so choose accordingly. Now, enter your social security number and tap Continue. And once you've followed all the steps provided to you, you'll be successfully enrolled to KeyBank's online banking account and services. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.